people doesn't want to pass by.
Well, certain assholes driving a certain speed, let people around. What's wrong? Somebody wanted to drive faster than me, I'd let them ride around.
Ganda dito, guys. Okay.
Okay.
It says in about what? County Road 119. Do we have to go there?
Yeah, wherever that address takes us.
So, instead of going to the highway, shortcut? We don't know the road.
No, we won't take a shortcut. We'll take the post office back behind there, probably.
Yeah.
That's about it. Might try to take us on a shortcut where they don't have the bridge in yet.
Right?
Remember?
Oh, yeah. Unfinished road.
Mm-hmm. All my fuel went away on all these water runs.
Dump site namin, oh. Yung dump site namin, ano yan? Tourist spot din yan. Our dump site are a tourist spot too, right? Madaming pumupunta dyan. Lalo na yung hindi pa nakakita ng mayor. Diyan sila nagpupunta. Dati, pwede ka makapasok noon 10 years ago yan. Pwede ka ba makapasok na. Ngayon bawal na.
Like me.
Ito yan siya.
Those people around you.
Maalikabok. Ha?
Still, I met those people around you.
Right? Sobra. Liko-liko.
That person nice enough to let me out. Wow.
Pavement na. Paliko. Paangat. Paangat means climbing.
That way.
Private property?
Is it?
Yeah.
Maybe so. For finding all these Jeep trails and things around the state and Farmington
Yeah.
and all that.
No. Right.
So I'd like to go to Moab, but it'd be good to have some.
They
closer
probably have a
places for
map.
Once in a while. Mm-hmm.
They probably have a map.
Oh, I'm sure, but there should be able to get an app or something for it.
Right. Or you can
Or
just Google it.
GPS. Yeah. Probably a 3
Deer.
lane shell, so it's nice and easy with open differentials.
Ah.
Almost all of the tip overs I've seen on video recently have been because they put factory front and rear lockers in, so if you push the button it locks them up. But most people don't know, a lot of times it's far better to keep that front locker off unless you're in a certain spot for it, because you lose your guide wheel. Both wheels are spinning instead of one of them keeping it there, you know?
Yeah.
So if it starts spinning, you start losing that front end and over they go. Just because they didn't know how to use the thing, right? I'm sure I know they don't teach anybody that. You just have to have been around a while to figure it out, I guess.
I'm sure some figure it out.
A lot of these people that tip over haven't figured it out, obviously, because if they weren't locked in the front, they wouldn't have tipped.
It's probably fun though.
Fun to tip over?
Oh, I don't know.
I'd be crying.
Oh,
My G, no!
school nila Wyron dyan. High school. Nag-graduate na siya. Going downtown area na. Yun, school nila. Ha?
Sing it.
Downtown area? Downtown. Na 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 na. Downtown. That's all.
How much I know.
Yan. Diyan. High school nila. Nandito yung school sa downtown.
Downtown, where the hookers are up all night. Downtown.
Huy. How do you know? Tapos may ilog dyan. Tapos doon post office doon. Medyo busy diyang banda. Punta kami dito. Okay. Holding hands, may ani sige. Maski maghigda na. We're surrounded by a mountain na kabayo, mga kabayo. When are we going to the falls? Waterfalls?
When do you want to go?
I don't know. Maybe this
We'll make
next
a point
week.
of it.
Huh?
We'll make a point of it. I wanted to go boating today and we couldn't even do that.
Oh, you're already tired.
Lazy this morning from yesterday.
Right? I think it's from the heat.
And it's from frustration.
The spring.
So what are we doing? Left or
1 and 4 mile. Turn to River Forest Drive. 1.4.
Okay.
Turn right.
Right. Quite right.
River Forest Drive. 3/4 on the left.
On the left.
We went in here to check a lot.
This is one of them that I like.
Yeah. It's probably still for sale. Huh?
Pretty nice home back there. Yeah, there's not much moving right now, I don't think.
Half a mile on the left.
Yeah, real close to where that lot was.
Still for sale. There are still for sale. That.
Nice lot. I like it. They're a little pricey on it though.
What was that number? House number?
I don't know.
Ay.
Where are... Do I need to find it
Maybe
real
in here.
quick?
6:30. Yeah, that one. 6:30. That's new build.
Yeah.